Good morning, students. I'll teach you new questions of class 9. Class 9. New question. Question number 1. If 5 sin theta plus 12 cos theta is equal to 13, then prove that then find the value of sin theta. For this, 5 sin theta plus 12 cos theta is equal to 13. Dividing by cos theta on both sides. 5 sin theta by cos theta, 12 cos theta by cos theta, 13 by cos theta. Cos theta first cancel. Here is 5 times theta plus 12 is equal to 20 or squaring on both sides. 25 whole square, 25 sin square theta plus 2ab 5 to 10 into 12 120 sin theta plus 12 square 144. This is 13 square 169 sec square theta or 25 tan square theta plus 120 tan theta plus 144. Convert sec square theta in tan form. This is 1 plus tan square theta or 25 tan square theta plus 120 tan theta plus 144 is equal to 169 plus 169 tan square theta or 169 is greater than 25. So first write 169 tan square theta minus 25 tan square theta minus 120 tan theta plus 169 and this is minus 144 is equal to 0 or this is 169 tan square 169 minus 25 is 144 tan square theta minus 120 tan theta plus 169 minus 144 is 25 is equal to 0 or this is 12 tan theta square minus 2 into 12 tan theta into 5 is 120. So this is 5 square is equal to 0 or 12 tan theta minus 5 whole square is equal to 0 or 12 tan theta minus 5 is equal to 0 or 12 tan theta is equal to 5 or tan theta is equal to 5 by 2 by answer. Now next question. Next question is if cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta, then prove that cos theta minus sin theta For this, is cos theta plus sin theta is equal to. So given is cos theta plus sin theta root 2 cos theta, or squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, cos square theta plus 2 cos theta into sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. So here our sin square theta is equal to 2 cos square theta, side change, sin change. So this is minus cos square theta, and this is minus 2 cos theta into sin theta, or sin square theta, this is cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Adding sin square theta on both sides. So this is sin square theta plus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus sin square. Adding sin square theta on both sides. So this is 2 sin square theta and cos square minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus sin square is cos theta minus sin theta whole square, or square root on both sides, taking square root on both sides, we get 2 root 2 sin theta is equal to cos theta minus sin theta. Therefore cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta 2. Next, next question is, if sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 1, then prove that sin theta plus cos theta plus minus 1. So for this, sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 1. It given sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 1. Sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 1. Squaring on both sides, we get sin theta minus cos theta 1 square, or sin square theta minus 2 sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, or sin theta plus cos theta we have sin theta plus cos theta squaring on both sides, we get sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Sin square minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta. So sin square theta plus a square plus b square sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus here is sin theta is equal to 1 plus cos theta squaring sin square theta minus 1 plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta और sin square theta both sides. Sin square cos square Next question is, if sec theta next day I will teach you next question of if sec theta plus tan theta is equal to x, and